Garmin's Fenix 9 could finally be here on August 25th. The company has scheduled a live stream called Play Harder, but there's one interesting detail. Garmin hasn't actually told us what it's launching, and that has made this event especially interesting because the leaks are pointing toward a new generation of Garmin's Fenix lineup, potentially the Fenix 9 alongside the Enduro 4. In August 2024, Garmin live-streamed the launch of the Fenix 8, Fenix E, and Enduro 3. So seeing another Garmin outdoor watch livestream around the same time in 2026 gives us another reason to suspect that a major outdoor watch launch is coming. But the timing alone doesn't confirm what Garmin has planned. Another clue comes from Czech retailer Ski and Bike, where fitness tracker tests spotted 18 Fenix 9 configurations. The listings cover 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm sizes, with the same watches also appearing in the retailer's sports watch catalog. There are no product descriptions or photos, just names, Garmin-style product numbers, and Czech koruna prices. The listings also line up with earlier reporting, a standard Fenix 9, a Fenix 9 Pro, and inReach variants across the three sizes, with AMOLED versions across the range and MIP solar on the larger sizes. There is no 43mm solar configuration, and no micro LED model appears among the 18 configurations. One particularly interesting detail is that a 43mm configuration is labeled inReach. If those listings are accurate, that would suggest an inReach equipped 43mm Fenix, something the Fenix 8 Pro didn't offer. That could make the smallest Fenix considerably more interesting for people who want satellite connectivity without moving up to a larger case. We didn't find an Enduro 4 or Fenix E2 page on the retailer, but that doesn't necessarily take either watch off the table. But what about the actual upgrades? A new Fenix generation would obviously need more than a new number. We could see improvements to GPS accuracy, battery life, health tracking, training features, and navigation. But right now, I wouldn't present any of those as confirmed Fenix 9 specifications. The retailer listings themselves don't include any specs, and we still haven't seen a confirmed official image. At this point, the strongest evidence we have is that these product configurations exist in retailer systems, not what their final feature set will be. And then there's pricing. The leaked Czech listings range from roughly $1180 for the lowest priced 43mm AMOLED configuration to around $1550 for the most expensive 51mm inReach configuration. But don't take those numbers as Garmin's final US pricing. These are Czech retail prices that include local VAT, and the dollar figures are simply conversions from the Czech koruna prices. Still, they give us an idea of where Garmin could position the Fenix 9, and it looks like this could remain a very premium watch. So going into August 25th, the Fenix 9 is looking increasingly likely, while the Enduro 4 remains another strong possibility. The good news is that we don't have to wait much longer. Garmin's livestream is just around the corner, and we'll finally find out which of these leaks were right and what Garmin managed to keep hidden. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.